Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Edge and you are with Rahul. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 has been officially unveiled as the company's third and the most advanced foldable smartphone after the Galaxy Fold and the Galaxy Z Flip. The new offering that was initially rumored as the Galaxy Fold, and it is positioned as the successor to its last year's Galaxy. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 comes with a 7.6-inch Infinity O display as its primary screen, while the cover screen, that is also an Infinity O display, is of 6.2 inches. Korean news outlet reported that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 is expected to feature a foldable 7.6 Super AMOLED screen. This shows an upgrade over the 7.3-inch and 4.6-inch displays available on the Galaxy Fold. Samsung also claims that the primary screen of the Galaxy Z Fold carries the most advanced flexible display. But apart from the newer and the larger displays, Samsung has used ultra-thin glass protection, this time over the plastic covering. Samsung is also offering 120Hz refresh rate on the Galaxy Z Fold. This means that you would get a smoother experience over the Galaxy Fold that had the traditional 60Hz refresh rate. Further, the new model has a cam mechanism in its hinge that allows you to open it up multiple times. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 will reportedly be powered by a recently unveiled Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. It is also reported that it will come with internal storage options of 256GB and 512GB and would support 5G connectivity. The upcoming phone is also expected to carry a dual battery setup with a combined capacity of 4365 mAh and supports 15W fast wireless charging and 15W fast reverse wireless charging. The Samsung hasn't officially confirmed any of the revealed specifications yet. In terms of front camera, the foldable phone is expected to carry a 10-megapixel sensor on both the sides, inside and the outside. On the back, Galaxy Z Fold 2 will feature a triple camera setup. This would include a 64-megapixel telephoto camera, a 12-megapixel sensor with ultra-wide angle lens, and a 12-megapixel primary camera with an ultra-wide lens. So friends, all these specs are rumors but really very close to leaks. So let's hope to see the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 very soon. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe and comment your opinions. Thank you for watching Phone Edge and stay tuned.